Hi, I'm Oliver Langhorst and I am from Canmore, Alberta, and I am 8 years old. Today we're going to go up into the backcountry, but first we're going to need to do a beacon check.
At Burstall Pass, there is a beacon basin close to the parking lot. Put fresh batteries in your beacon. Then turn your beacons on and check that all of the beacons are working in send and receive modes. Don't forget your probe and shovel. Switching on beacon number 6. Switch your beacon to receive mode so you can find a signal. Today we have one victim and one searcher. I am using a zigzag pattern. I've got a signal. Now I follow the strongest signal along the flux line. I'm getting out my probe and shovel. At under 3 meters, start a pinpoint search. Hold your beacon close to the snow and go left to right to find the lowest numbers. Next, move back and forth to find the lowest numbers. Mark it with a pole. When you hit something, leave the probe there. Always remember it's faster to dig and throw the snow downhill. For extra practice, we buried my dad's backpack. Lucky we found it. It has our lunch in it.